Today, we are starting one of the most important topics in DSA. Yes, graph. If you're preparing for interviews, then trust me, graphs are must. Companies like product based companies love asking graph questions. So, today, I will explain what is a graph, how it works, and most importantly, top interview questions you should practice. Yes. So, first of all, what is a graph? Let's understand this in the simplest way. A graph is just a network of connected points. Like, as you can see, here, A, B, C, D are called nodes or vertices. Lines between them are called edges. So simple definition of graph is nodes plus edges is equals to graph. Real life examples is let's connect this to the real life. You can say Instagram, Facebook, like you as a node, your friend as a nodes, and connection that between them are edges. Google Maps is one of the real example. Cities are the nodes, roads are the edges, and this is how graph works. So basically, graphs is nothing. Everything connected is called graph. Here we have types of graph. Graph can be of different types. Undirected graph, directed graph, weighted graph, unweighted graph. Okay, now the idea is how to traverse the graph. Most important part. How do we visit all nodes? We have two main ways, BFS or DFS. That stands for breadth first search or depth first search. These are the heart of graph problem. Yes, BFS. Let's understand the BFS. BFS means go level by level. Start from A, go to all levels, then next level, uses the queue. Most asked questions in BFS, they are very important questions like number of islands, rotating oranges, shortest path in binary matrix, word ladder, minimum step to reach target. If you master BFS, you can solve this easily. Now, talk about DFS, depth first search. DFS means go deep first, then backtrack. A, B, C, back, then D, uses the recursion or stack. Most asked DFS questions like number of provisions, clone graph, code schedule, all paths from source to target, flood fill are these are the few examples or the most asked questions of DFS. DFS is very powerful when recursion is involved.